chubb 12. Come on, guys. Another fire alarm going off. Another smoke detector going off. There's the we look at the...
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency.
It was
Proceed
him!
calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building
We look
immediately.
is dead.
Do not use the elevator.
But the alarm's still
Use
going off.
stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Maybe there's a smoke detector going off right here, guys. Here's the smoke detector's going off.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building
So guys,
evacuation plan.
these stupid kids smoking the restaurant again set off the fire alarm. But they got suspended right now. And now the fire alarm stopped. Guys, please stop doing that. Oh my school, you're gonna get expelled or suspended. This is the fourth time the alarm going off. Jesus.